Hi, this is Casey Prince with the Prince Group, and welcome to Southern Living in this modern farmhouse plan in Good Hope, Georgia. I'm excited to show you this home. It's our Ashley floor plan. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and on just a little over 2 acres in Good Hope, Georgia. Come take a look. Welcome to the Ashley, a new construction modern farmhouse in Good Hope, Georgia on just over 2 acres. The main floor features wide plank engineered flooring throughout. The open gourmet kitchen features a large, beautiful island with Farmhouse Apron Sink that includes under-island storage, Gorgeous Tile Backsplash, stainless appliances, and a pot filler over the gas cooktop. There's a wall oven with built-in microwave and a Farmhouse Wooden Vent Hood. The open family room with fireplace and reclaimed wooden mantle has custom built-ins and shelving and also includes a view to the formal dining area with wooden beams. One of my favorite spaces has to be this sitting area off of the master suite. It leads into the master spa-like bath. You've got to see it. The master on main features a large sitting area with shiplap detailing and a chandelier. The master bath includes framed mirrors, his and her vanities, a spa-like shower, garden tub, and walk-in closet. The convenient split bedroom floor plan on main has the master suite plus 2 secondary bedrooms. The Mudroom Nook just off of the garage has storage and a bench. The laundry room has a unique folding counter for convenience. Upstairs, both one large bonus room, 1 bedroom, and 1 full bath. If that's not enough, there's also a flex room that can double as an office or playroom. The exterior rear patio looks onto a private wooden lot with extensive landscaping. And to top it all off, there's no HOA. I can't wait to show you some more houses brought to you by the Prince Group and Rocky Branch Builders. We have several standing inventory as well as available lots. For any additional information, as always, contact soldbytheprincegroup.com.